name is Andrew Kane, and I'm here with Taylor Parsons as we present our book, Nothing But the Truth, by Avi. It was published in 1991.
This is a quote from the book. It's telling you about what the book will be about.
The classroom setting will be indicative of a Cincinnati classroom with low socioeconomic status. It will be a K-8 building with 100% free and reduced lunch. It will be in an 8th grade ELA classroom. It will also have an inclusion teacher to assist the students who are on an IEP and a 504. The classroom will have long black tables that can be easily set up for group work and whole class discussions. There will also be a little table in the corner of the room for students when working on independent work can come up there and ask questions. The classroom will have a varying level of reading. The social studies standards will focus on the Constitution, while the ELA standards are reading, writing, classroom discussion, and listening skills. Our rationale for the unit is using comprehension skills and reading skills to help the students develop a love of reading. We came to have 6 goals for the unit. The 2 most important are the last 2, identifying one's right of a U.S. citizen, and the other one is identifying the rights that come along with the First Amendment. As alluded to before, we will have 3 types of group work. One is whole group, which is led by the teacher, and this is the first time that the student will be hearing the topic. The second type is a small group, where we will split the classroom up into academic ability. Each assignment will highlight different academic levels, and we will have an individual, which provides opportunity for students to work by themselves. We will have a little table that the students can come up and ask either the teacher or the intervention specialist for help. We will have some writing for this book. There will be 3 writing samples. One will be a persuasive or an argumentative writing. The second will be an informatory or an exploratory piece in a reading journal. And the third type will be a narrative. The prompt will be, how does perspective shape the truth?